Hi! Welcome to my channel, you're here with Kika Kathy, and today we're gonna do an unboxing of my BoxyCharm Premium Box. I'm also gonna do some try-ons, so without no further ado, let's start!
This is my premium box. As you can see, spilled all over the box. This is the only one that didn't get set, but this one is the one that spilled. I guess it was never secured, so it was open like that when I got it. So I hope you guys can do something about this. All of them I already see. There's not much on this one because it was kind of closed like that, but everything else is, yeah.
So I got this Too Faced Cocoa Contour. Let's try it out. It looks so fancy. So this is what I got. I didn't get any eyeshadow palette, which I'm kind of bummed about it because I think you're supposed to get a palette for the premium, or I might be wrong, it might be on the Boxy box. Not everybody gets a palette, but hey, I can't complain about this one because I kind of like this one. I wanted to get it anyways. So pretty. So there's highlights, and then there's also the contour stuff here. I might don't need the highlights. I don't want to probably use it, but I will use the one. We'll do the medium contour. Maybe a little mix to the deep contour. Oh, it smells like chocolate. Pretty. So I also got this. This is the Zoeva Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear. I believe this is like an eye primer. It doesn't really say the shade, but it says matte, which is, I actually like the matte ones for my eyelid because this is what it looks like. Kind of remind me of the Urban Decay one. This actually feels like much of a tacky. It is soft, like it's a little smooth, kind of tacky. So it's not like a glue kind. Alright, let's move on. So I'm gonna use this brush. Oh, I shouldn't use this brush. The brush is from Billion Dollar Brows. So this is a sculpting duo brush. Oh, I should have used this for the highlight and contour. Oh, I like this with the triangulars. Wow, the design of this is actually pretty good. I feel like I can use this for my eyes too. I'm gonna use this. Let me finish up my makeup and I will be right back for the rest of it. So as you can see, I know something spilled in here already because of these, and I can smell it when I open the box. Not excited about that. As I opened this, I kind of peeked through it already because I smelled it, so I had a feeling that there's something that's you know, spilled in my box. So this is the Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. I can smell it. It's citrusy. I got this and somebody still put this in my box even though they opened it. I don't know if they did or somebody forgot or whatever, or never really looked at it and just shipped it, because that safety seal looks like it's not gonna get off with this really easily. So of course I got a mask again. You know what, I think I should change my my crease one more time and see if that's gonna change anything, because I've been getting a lot of sleeping masks for each of the boxes every month. You have way too much. You can only use this for, you know, for so long. Yeah, see, it says here it's 6 months only prior to opening it. So honestly, I still have the other ones, the watermelon, the I still have the honey, the honey. You know what I'm talking about. So you have the BoxyCharm, but you know, I still have those things, so I'm just not too excited about that. I didn't want to open this because I want to show BoxyCharm what it looks like when it came. I did open this though. Also got the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette. Now that's the one I'm really excited, because they said that it's either you get that cocoa palette or you get the eyeshadow palette. Either way, I want to have one of those. So I'm happy enough to get the contour palette. So that paid for my whole box, because this is $35 and the Too Faced Cocoa Contour palette is $44. So I'm super happy with that. It's always, you know, worth it to get a box from BoxyCharm. Really, like, I like the BoxyCharm more than Ipsy, just because I know in BoxyCharm there's no redundancy of an item. Usually I haven't got anything so far that's a redundancy of any other item. I just saw the box from the Ipsy. I saw 2 items in that box that's from the prior boxes. So I mean, how can you get excited about that? But hey, everybody has their own opinion. That's my opinion. I think it's nicer when, you know, when you're that person that likes to try out more different items, I guess. Because that's the main reason why I got the subscription boxes, is because especially the BoxyCharm, because I know they do not repeat whatever they sent you before. I don't know how accurate is that, because I've only been with them for almost a year now, I guess. But either way, I haven't really got a redundancy of any of my items. But I'm seeing that with Ipsy's. With that spill on my box, this is the only one probably that was on the safe side, just because the foam was over it. So everything else was outside the foam. So the boxes are like, yeah, I want to replace it because I want to put some of this stuff into my giveaway. So that's the only reason why I want to, you know, get a hold of them. But other than that, really, like, I don't want to, because right now I'm pretty sure they have all these complaints, but with everybody else, and I don't want to do that if I don't have to. But I will do that because I want to put some of this stuff in the giveaway. So that's the only reason. But, and plus, I spend money for this, so we need to get the maximum amount of whatever we're supposed to get, right? So this is what it looks like. It smells like chocolate. It has some fragrance in it, and the style, the style looks like a chocolate. So that's the one thing I like with Too Faced. They're really, the designs are just like freaking amazing, and even the packaging on this one is so fancy. And there's its own, you know, mirror, and it's just crazy. That's why I love BoxyCharm with all their brands that they have, because they're bougie. Well, not that bougie, but bougie enough for me. Especially, I like, you know, the drugstore makeup, but if we can get it in a cheaper way, I would love to buy that as well, you know. Anyways, that's everything in my box, and I hope you enjoyed me trying some of this out. And I will update you guys in the description box how the BoxyCharm go with me with that customer service. I know I did it before already, and it kind of takes them some time to reply, but they did their job. They switch it, but it took them almost a month to bring me my good ones. Anyways, I will update you guys in my community or in my next videos. So that's it for me today. I hope you like what you saw from my premium box. What did you get? If you like videos about subscription boxes for makeup or beauty, really, then please consider unsubscribing. And if you do, thank you so much. I appreciate that a lot. And hopefully I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.